Ops, wait lang, huwag ka muna mag-scroll at syempre magbibigay muna tayo ng ating word of the day at sagutin natin ang katanungan na to. Ang sabi dito, which of the following choices below best describe the pattern arch? So yung tinatanong sa atin dito is arch daw. Saan daw sa baba class yung nagsasabi ng arch natin? Tandaan natin class, yung topic natin is under to sa ating forensic science pero under naman sa ating personal identification techniques natin. Letter A, has core and single delta. Letter B, has core and 2 deltas. Letter C, no core, no delta, and no ridge count. Letter D, the ridges flows to other side but slightly upward. Okay? So tandaan natin class, no? Yung ating hinahanap is arch to arch. Yung alpha natin class, AKIS na yan. Bakit? Yung alpha, it is emphasizing the pattern of loop. Loop pattern yan. Kasi nga, merong core, tsaka isa lang yung delta. So that is loop yan. Ito naman yung Bravo class, that is has core and 2 deltas, whirls po yan. That is considered mga whirl pattern po natin yan. Okay? And syempre, yung atin sanang delta class, kasi delta tsaka Charlie na lang to eh. Yung delta natin class, supposed to be that is arch. Arch yan eh. Kasi the ridges flows to other side. Okay? The ridges flow to other side but slightly upward. Arch yan. Kaso, klase lang yan ng arch. That is considered plain arch yan. Eh kaso, yung tanong natin generic. So, hanapin natin yung generic talaga. Okay, the correct answer natin dyan, class, pag sinabing arch, tandaan lang, walang core, walang delta, at walang ridge to count. Bakit? Kasi pag nag-ridge to count kasi tayo, class, that is considered, maggagawa tayo ng imaginary line from core to delta or delta to core. So, ngayon, ang arch, wala kang i-ridge count. Bakit? Kasi wala nga siyang core, wala din siyang delta. So, the correct answer natin dito, class, walang iba kundi Charlie. So, dahil dyan, tama yan, Charlie po yung sagot natin. At syempre, ito lang muna sa ngayon. At sana nakatulong nyo ito. At syempre, ito pa din ang inyong lingkod, your Mr. Word of the Day, the Master Schumann, Emmanuel Bilaestro Bilaclos sa CBRC National Tour and a Registered Criminologist. Sabi sa inyo na para pumasa sa board examination, kailangan natin ng baso siya at tsamba. Baso siya, basa sulatan sure, sabi ng tsamba, tiyaga, sipag, at manalangin bawat. Thank you so much. God bless you all.